Hi, Tuesday is StampTV Day, and today we're going to talk to you about a report that we offer pertaining to what divorcees should know about houses, mortgages, and taxes. If you are going through a divorce and going through a really stressful event in your life, especially related to a divorce and marriage property matters, this episode is for you. Watch until the end and we will offer you a full report that you can use to make good decisions. So to avoid costly housing mistakes in the midst of a divorce, and this report is going to help you through the entire process. So a divorce is a tough situation that opens up many emotions and financial issues to be solved. One of the most important decisions is to what to do about the house. In the midst of a heavy emotional and financial turmoil, what most is some non-emotional, straightforward, specific answers, and that's what you probably need too. Once you know how a divorce affects your home, your mortgage, and taxes, critical decisions are much easier. And a third-party information can help you make logical rather than emotional decisions. Probably the first decision is whether you want to continue living in the house with, is that familiar surroundings for your kids and you, bring you comfort and emotional security, or unpleasant memories. Do you want to minimize change or staying where you are, or sell your home and move to a new place that actually offers a new start? Only you can answer these questions, but there will almost certainly be some financial situations to help your decision process. So, what can you afford? Can you manage the old house on your new budget? Is financing possible? Or is it better to sell and buy something else? How much house can you buy on your new budget? All questions, all great questions we can help you with. The purpose of this video is to help you ask the right questions so you can make informed decisions that will be right for your situation. You have 4 basic options when in the midst of a divorce, okay? You can sell the house now and divide the proceeds, buy out your spouse, or have your spouse buy you out. And you keep the property, or you guys can just sell it outright and move on. It's important for you to understand the financial implications of each of these scenarios. First is to sell the house now and divide up the proceeds. Your primary consideration under these circumstances is to maximize your home's selling price. We can help you avoid the common mistakes most homeowners make, which compromises this outcome. As you work to get your financial affairs in order, make sure that you understand what your net proceeds will actually be. For example, after selling expenses and after determining what your split of the proceeds will be, note that the split may not be 50-50, but rather may depend on the divorce settlement, the source of the original down payment, and the property laws in your area. Next is to buy out your spouse. Is that something that you want to do? If you intend to keep the house yourself, you basically will have to determine how you'll continue to meet your monthly financial obligations if you now only are looking at one salary. If you use 2 incomes to qualify for the old loan, refinancing on your own might be a challenge. So another option is to have your spouse buy you out. Is that for you? If you are the one who is leaving, you have the opportunity to start again in new surroundings. And maybe that's what you're looking for. With cash in your pocket However, be aware that if the old home loan is not refinanced, most lenders will consider both you and your spouse as original co-signers to be liable for the mortgage. Important information. This liability may make qualifying for a new mortgage difficult for you to decide to purchase a new home. So even though you won't have legal ownership, you may be responsible for the mortgage. And the last option is to retain joint ownership. Some divorcing couples postpone a financial decision with respect to the home and retain joint ownership for a period of time, even though only one spouse lives there. So while this temporary situation means you have no immediate worries in this regard, keep your eye on tax considerations, which may change from the time of your divorce to the time of the ultimate sale. So if you and your spouse decide to sell your home, it will be important to work together through a professional to maximize your return and understand. Differences aside, you both should present when a listing contract is put together. Both of you should understand and sign this contract, and both should be active in the ultimate negotiations. When you buy your next home, use the proceeds from your previous home or buy out to determine an affordable price range for your next home. So maintain a clear focus on getting the right home to suit your new situation. You may wish to review with an agent who offers a home hunting service to help find a home that matches your new home buying criteria. So for a full report on divorce and what you need to know about your house, your mortgage, and your taxes, you can reach out to us at 561-221-2292 or at Kristin at thestampiniteam.com. It'll be below. If you liked the video, please don't forget to put a thumbs up, leave a comment, and make sure to hit the subscribe button so you know upcoming videos that we have every Tuesday. Also, click that bell icon so you'll receive instant notifications every time we release a new video. Thanks for joining me today, Kristin Stampini, and have a great week. Bye.